Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 Mazda BT-50 dual cab Ute XT. Stock reference number 4476. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 is the current shape. There's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been in a rollover. We have the front bull bar TJM with all bolts and brackets. Brackets may be slightly bent. A few scratches here and there, still may be usable. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Factory plastic bumper bar, does have some scuffs on the right hand side. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter. Heater controls, factory Alpine touchscreen, sat nav unit. Courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type. Left sun visor, right hand sun visor. Instrument cluster. And a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.